Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the Riddle bubble locations in Heartopia to get a free special emote from new Modular Street Week 2 event. This one. So in this new update, there are hidden Riddle bubbles that scattered around the map, and when you solve or pop them, you can unlock free emotes like this. One of them is this Dream Renovator Riddle. For this static emotes, confuse shop owner like this. And for these bubble locations, just go to Bob Store. Over here, Bob Store. Like this. This bubble, this one. Just go to the Bob Store that located on the central square over here. And then next just pop the bubble. Just jump to umbrella like this. And then over here. Like this. You can get the emote after successfully pop the bubble. And the emotes will instantly unlock and it will automatically be added to your emotes menu. Just tap on the emotes menu and then you will get this emote like this. And that's how you can find the bubble of the store visiting Riddle in Heartopia. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.